Hello students, welcome to this video. Today we are going to see about representing characters in memory. Okay. As represented in introduction, all the input data given to the computer should be in understandable format. Okay. In general, 26 uppercase letters, 26 lowercase letters, 0 to 9 digits and some special characters are used in a computer, which is called character set. Okay. Today, most of the characters we have to use, like 26 uppercase letters, 26 lowercase letters and 0 to 9 digits and some special characters like at symbol, ampersand symbol, asterisk symbol and so on. All these character set are denoted through numbers only. These kinds of characters are denoted through only numbers because the computer can understand the binary digits, that is 0 and 1. Then only we can use this format. All characters in the character set needs a common encoding system. Okay, these kind of character set having a common encoding system. There are several encoding systems used for computer. They are binary coded decimal. Okay, binary coded decimal, that is BCD. The next one is extended binary coded decimal interchange code, that is EBCDIC. The third one is ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It is the most important one. Today most of the computers use this code, okay, ASCII code, because ASCII is the code to convert a binary number into the user understandable language for the user. Okay, the next one is Unicode. Today the modern computers used this kind of code. Unicode means universal code. Okay, this is the short form of universal code, that is Unicode. The next one is ISCII, that is Indian Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay, Indian Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay, these are the encoding systems used in the computers. So first of all, let me see about binary coded decimal. Okay, what is mean by that? This encoding system is not in the practice right now. Okay, this encoding system is not in the practice right now because it should have use only 64 characters here. Okay, that is 2 to the power 6 bit, that is 64 encoding system. Okay, this can handle 2 to the power 6 is equal to 64 characters only. Okay, then only this encoded system is not in the practice right now. Okay, so the next one is very important topic, that is American Standard Code for Information Interchange, that is ASCII code. Okay, this is the most popular encoding system recognized by United States. Okay, the United States of India is recognized the system of ASCII code. Most of the computers use this system. Okay, today most of the computers use this ASCII code. Remember, this encoding system can handle English characters only. Okay, this can handle only the English characters, but the computer can understand only the binary digits, that is 0 and 1. How is it possible? So here the ASCII code can convert the binary digits into the user understandable language with the computer. Okay, this can handle 2 to the power 7 bit, which means 128 characters. So it is better than the binary coded decimal. Okay, so it can have the binary coded decimal having the characters only 64. Okay, but here the ASCII code having the characters like 128, that is 2 to the power 7. Okay, this is the very convenient code. In this system, each character has individual number, that is appendix. Appendix is nothing but it is in the form of tablet column in the end of this chapter. Okay. So the next one is the new edition ASCII 8 has 2 to the power 8 bits and can handle 256 characters or represented from 0 to 255 unique numbers. Okay, 2 to the power 8 means 256 characters. Why we are representing like this means because 256 means that is 0 to 255. Okay, then only because the bits can be allotted from the digit of 0. Okay, then only we can use this kind of format from 0 to 255 unique numbers. Okay, can you understand the concept now? So the ASCII code equivalent to the uppercase A is 65. Okay, it is very important. The uppercase letter A having the equivalent number, that is 65. Okay, A is having the number as 65. The binary representation of ASCII, that is 7-bit value, is 1 0 0 0 0 0 and 1. Okay, also 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 in ASCII 8-bit. Okay, the 7-bit of ASCII having this value, the 8-bit of ASCII having this value. Can you understand the concept now? This is the ASCII code, that is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay, so now we can move to the next topic, extended binary coded decimal interchange code, that is EBCDIC. Okay, extended binary coded decimal interchange code. This is similar to ASCII code with 8-bit representation. Okay, ASCII code having the 2 to the power 7 representation having 128 characters means the ASCII code having 8 bits having 256 characters. We all learned in the previous topic, that is ASCII code. This coding system is formulated by International Business Machine, that is IBM. Okay, the coding system can handle 256 characters. The input code in ASCII can be converted to EBCDIC system and vice versa. Okay, so can you understand the concept now? It should just consider 256, it is easily to handle 256 characters. Okay, the next topic is Indian Standard Code for Information Interchange, that is ISCII. Okay, ISCII is the system of handling the character of Indian local languages. Okay, handling the characters of Indian local languages. This as a 8-bit coding system. Okay, this is also a 8-bit coding because the EBCDIC coding is also having the 8-bit representation. Okay, as we discussed it earlier. Therefore, it can handle 256, that is 2 to the power 8 characters. This system is formulated by the Department of Electronics in India in the year 1986 to 1988. Okay, this should be approved by the Department of Electronics in India in the year 1986 to 1988. Okay, and it is recognized by Bureau of Indian Standards. Okay, Bureau means Bureau of India Standard means that is BIS. Okay, it is the important seal. Okay, Bureau of Indian Standard, that is BIS. Okay, this ISCII code is approved by BIS. Now this coding system is integrated with Unicode. Okay, this coding system is integrated with Unicode. Okay, the next topic is Unicode. Okay, what does it mean by that? This coding system is used in most of the modern computers. Okay, I already told you Unicode is the very important code that can be used in the most of the modern computers. Okay, Unicode is nothing but that is universal code. Okay, universal code. The popular coding scheme after ASCII is Unicode. Okay, after the ASCII code, the Unicode is most popularly used in the modern computers. ASCII can represent only 256 characters, that is 0 to 255 characters. Okay, therefore English and European languages alone can be handled by ASCII. Okay, ASCII can handle both the languages, that is English and European languages. So particularly there was a situation when the languages like Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada and Telugu could not be represented by ASCII. Okay, these languages is not handled by the ASCII. ASCII can handle the two languages, that is European languages and the English. Okay, hence the Unicode was integrated to handle all the coding system of universal languages. Okay, Unicode can be handled all the universal languages. Okay, this is the main feature of Unicode compared with the ASCII, that is 16-bit code and can handle 65,536 characters. Okay, the Unicode is a 16-bit code and it can be handled 65,536 characters. Okay, Unicode scheme is denoted by hexadecimal numbers. The Unicode table of Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu and Kannada is shown in the table. Okay, Unicode can be shown in the table. So this is the Unicode of each numbers. Okay, this is 0 for this one, then OBB, this is Tamil, this is for other languages. Okay, this is the table of Unicode of Tamil, Unicode table of Malayalam. So the next table is Telugu and Kannada. Okay, we have more languages in Unicode. So this table representing the number system of the alphabets. Okay, A having the decimal number as 65, then binary number as 8-bit format, octal number as 101 and that is 101, hexadecimal number as 41. Okay, similarly we have all the alphabets like here. So can you understand the concept now? Today we are discussed about representing characters in memory, binary coded decimal, American Standard Code for Information Interchange, that is ASCII code, extended binary coded decimal interchange code, that is EBCDIC, Indian Standard Code for Information Interchange, that is ISCII. The final one is Unicode. Okay, later on we will discuss about these tables also. Okay, the representation of number systems of alphabets and number of digits and this kind of special characters. Okay, can you understand the concept now? Thank you for watching this video, students.